And then what we do is we ask for an allotted time slot after that. See, so Fawn's like PM. I'm like, cool. Do we do like 6 to 10?
Well,
like 5 to 8.
It's kind of like if I'm working on somebody and I'm like, I've only got an hour left. Cut to 3.5 hours later.
That's a fucking lie.
Exist. It wasn't in the plan, but it happened.
It was just an extra 5 tattoo minutes.
But I mean, there's beauty in that freedom though. And as art goes, I would never want somebody to be like, yeah, hour left, and there'd be 3 hours worth of work left, and then them stop after an hour. So like, you do you, boo-boo. My thing is I never want to know. Ever, especially in the process of being tattooed.
Yeah.
I never want to fucking know. If you just started, I know that. I've been here the whole time. I don't want updates. I want you to be like, okay, let's go check that out in the mirror. That's the only like verbiage I want as far as how long you're planning on working.
Yeah. I mean, it's one of those things too, where it's like, once you know how much time is left, or you think
I'm counting it down.
Exactly. You're just counting it down.
You hit 15 minutes in 1 second. I'm like, fucking wrap it up.
Yeah.
Oh, that's like a double entendre because it's a tattoo and you got to wrap it up. Like you got to package it together.
Nice job. That's a good one.
Yeah.